Our learning target for phonics today is I can understand what a prefix is and be able to read and write words with dis and pre. Dis means not or the opposite of. So when you add dis to a base word, it means not the base word or the opposite of the base word. So here we've got disappear. Appear is the base word, so disappear means not to appear. Disagree, agree is the base word, so disagree means not to agree. Disobey, obey is the base word, so disobey means not to obey. Over here we've got pre. Pre means before or early. So when we have pre-write, write is the base word, so pre-write means to write before something. Predict, dictation means to say something or to speak about something. So when you predict, you are talking about something that you think will happen in the future. Preview, view is the base word. And so preview means to view something before it happens or early. So like when you are at the movie theater and you see previews of movies that are coming out in the future. On the practice time slide, you are adding the prefix dis to the beginnings of these 4 words, and you're adding the prefix pre to the beginnings of these 4 words. So let's read the base words my turn, your turn. Continue, content, respect, connect. So to make this into a different word, I add dis, D-I-S, and then I read it to myself. Discontinue. I do the same thing for these 3 words, and then I come over here. Let's read the base words, my turn, your turn. Vent, arrange, determine, approve. So I come up here, I put my cursor and I put pre, and then I read it, prevent. When you're all done, make sure to press the X and then press the blue turn in button.